Hey there, it's Chef Anthony, and I recently got back from competing at the World Food Championships, where I competed in the bacon category. Because, come on, between you and me, who doesn't love bacon, right? And one of the dishes we had to make was a bacon-infused pizza crust. So I decided to think really outside of the pizza box and create a pork rind and bacon crust pizza. You heard me correctly, and I have not lost my mind. I made a pork rind and bacon crust pizza. Now, I know what you're thinking, but it was amazing. It's low carb and gluten-free. Awesome, right? So today I'm going to share with you the recipe I used at the World Food Championships using my Anchor Shrimp mixer, great value products from Walmart, and Baconair Pork Panko. Yes, Pork Panko, it's an awesome product that I know you're going to love. So join me, let's get cooking and make some pizza. After about 18 minutes in the oven, our pizza is ready to go. Just check out that beautiful crust. Now, at this point, you can slice it up and eat it as a low-carb bread alternative, or you can make it into a pizza, which is what we're gonna do. So I'll top it with my favorite toppings, put it back in the oven just for a few minutes so that all the cheese, sauce, everything melts together nicely, and then it's time for a pizza party. Now that our pizza's cooked, ready, rested, and sliced, it's time to dive in. As you can see, I went with pepperoni and cheese. Nothing wrong with the classics, right? And now, it's my favorite part of the video. I get to dive in and make sure I did a good job. I wish you were here. This is totally awesome. The pizza is perfectly cooked thanks to our USA pizza pan. Every bite, you get just a little bit of that bacony, cheesy goodness, which I don't have to tell you is just awesome. We have a nice color on top. This is a totally great recipe, and you saw how easy it was to make. I hope you try it. Let me know if you make it at home. And most of all, I hope you had as much fun watching this as I had fun eating it. Until next time.